I have here Mary's will. As you probably guessed, she left everything to Paddy and his family. Well, she did leave a bit to the church and some to you.
Shouldn't the Clearys be here for this?
Yes, we'll have the reading later, after the funeral. But Mary gave this to me last night before the party. I was to read it to you the moment I learned of her death. Of course, I had no idea then. Good Lord, it's a new will. Dated yesterday. But why would she make it without me? I, Mary Elizabeth Carson, etc., etc., bequeath all my worldly goods to the Holy Catholic Church of Rome, on the conditions that she show appreciation of the worth and ability of her servant, Father Ralph de Bricassar, and that said Father Ralph de Bricassar serve as the chief authority in charge of my estate. Well, congratulations, Father. You got the lot after all 13 million pounds of it.
13 million pounds? But what about the Clearys?
Oh, they get to stay on as managers. Decent of it not to throw them out entirely. And there's 10,000 a year for your personal use. And a note to you. My dear Ralph, how do you like my new will? Of course, you can destroy it if you wish. It's the only copy my lawyer will never tell. No one will be the wiser, and Meggie will be the richer, won't she? But I know what you'll do. I know it as surely as if I could be there watching when they give you that red robe and mitre. Father, listen. There's no denying it was Mary's property to dispose of in any manner she wished, and I'm not a Catholic, so forgive me. But we both know the church has no right to the estate. Please, let's just destroy this. And let poor old Paddy and his family have what's rightfully theirs.